Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Biotech Beats. Alright, so today we are going to discuss some previous year questions of CSIR Life Science exam of Part A General Aptitude section. So let's begin. Our first question. Our first question is, in a race, 5 drivers were in the following situation. M was following V, R was just ahead of T, and K was the only one between T and V. So we need to find who was in the second place at that instant. Before solving these type of questions, first break the questions in different parts. Then form the scenario, form a image according to those parts, and then follow a sequence. How? Look here. The first statement is, first of all, see how many drivers are there. There are 5 drivers. So I am assuming that all the 5 drivers are moving from left to right direction. Alright. So this is my first assumption. Next is M was following V. So if I follow this statement, then this will say that I can write the sequence as like this because M is following V. Alright, and we are considering that the persons are moving from left to right direction, like this. Alright, our next condition is R was just ahead of T. It will look like this. Similarly, the last and the most important condition is K was the only one between T and V. So I can write this equation like this, V, K, T. Now the important part of this condition is it is written as VKT, not TKV. Why? Because the condition is like it will not follow the second condition. The second condition is R was just ahead of T, means I need to write R ahead of T. If I reverse this order to TKV, then the both condition will not follow each other. Alright, so this condition should be also following each other. So when I consider all 3 conditions together, then the order that will form here will be M, V, K, T and R. And what we need to find? We need to find who was in the second place. So second place will be occupied by the person T. So the correct option is option number 3. Alright. Next question. Our next question is, how many non-square rectangles are there in the following diagram? Alright, so before going into this question, I will first differentiate among what is square, what is rectangle, and what is non-square rectangle, and why the word written non-square is written here. Alright, so rectangles and square, there is only one difference. See guys, what is square basically? If someone asks to define square, then square is also a rectangle. But the only difference between square and rectangle is that the square is a rectangle of which length and breadth are also equal, but that is not so in case of non-square rectangle. So the meaning or the reason behind writing this word non-square here is, for considering the non-square rectangles, you are not going to consider this individual square, means you cannot consider this individual square as rectangle because their length and breadth are of equal length or equal size. So basically, then how you will find the non-square rectangles here? You need to combine these square to form rectangles, like in the set of 2 or in the set of 3. Or if there is any possibility, you can also combine the squares in the set of 4. Alright. So making this question simple, I have numbered these squares from A to G like this. Alright. Now just see how I am forming the rectangles. Okay, so first let us see how many possibilities are there of forming rectangles with only 2 squares. So how many possibilities are there? Just count with me. There the possibilities like will be like this. Okay, the first possibility will be like A plus B, then second possibility B plus C, then third possibility C plus D, then fourth possibility D plus E, then fifth possibility E plus F, and the last possibility is F plus G. So the total number of rectangles containing two squares is 6. Similarly, we can also find the number of rectangles forming by combination of three squares like ABC here. Okay, so how many possibilities are there? There will be three possibilities. How? First, count with me. First will be A plus B plus C. Second will be B plus C plus D. Alright. Third will be D plus E plus F. Only these three possibilities will be there. So the number of rectangles containing three squares will be 3. Now the last possibility of combining the combining four squares to form one rectangle is, there is only one possibility of combining four squares to form rectangle, that is this A, B, C and D. So the number of rectangles containing 4 square will be 1. If I add these three values, 6 plus 3 plus 1, then I will get the value as 10. So the correct option for this question is option number 3, that is 10. Next question. Our next question is, a 4-wheel cart is going around a circular track. Which of the following statement is correct? If the 4 wheels are free to rotate independent of each other and the cart negotiates the track stably. So basically what happening in this question is that a 4-wheel cart is moving in a circular track. Alright, and you need to find the correct statement among these 4 statements. So for making this question simple, I just draw a diagram here how the cart is moving. The cart is moving like this. Alright, so the cart is moving like this. In this circular track, our cart is moving. In that, the inner wheels are on this circle, this path B, and the outer wheels are on this path A. Alright, so let's check our statements. First statement is all wheels rotate at the same speed. Second statement is the 4 wheels have different speed. Third statement is the wheels closer to the inside of the track move slower than the outer side wheels. And the last one is the wheels closer to the inside of the track move faster than the outer side wheels. So before doing this question, just remember the formula of speed. What is the formula for speed? Our formula for speed is this. Speed equals to distance upon time. So for the same duration of time, if the distance covered is more, then the speed will also be conditioned. So you can see here that while moving in this circular path, the distance covered by the inner wheel will be less as compared to the distance covered by the outer wheels. Why? Because the inner wheels are going to cover less distance, as the circumference of the inner circle is less as compared to the circumference of the outer circle. Alright, so the speed of the inner wheels will be less as compared to the outer wheels. So the correct option is option number 3, statement 3rd. Next question. Our next question is, find the value of angle AQB in the following diagram. Alright, we need to find the value of angle AQB. Before finding, here is angle AQB. Before finding angle AQB, I want to tell you about one theorem, that the angle or the central angle inscribed by an arc at the center of the circle is twice this angle here. This twice as compared to the any other angle subtended by the same arc of the circle. Alright, so here if we are considering the AB as our arc, then the angle subtended by this arc at the center, this AOB, will be twice of this APB as well as AQB. But in the question we are asked to find only AQB, so we will find only AQB. Alright, so to determine this AQB, first see the theorem. Theorem is the central angle of a circle is twice any inscribed angle subtended by the same arc. This AOB will be twice of this AQB. Now to find AQB, we need to first find AOB. How we will find AOB? To find AOB, just simply add 220 degree to this angle AOB and you will get the sum as 360 degree, because it both the angles are at the same point. Alright, So when you will solve this equation, you will get the value of AOB as 140 degree, and as per the theorem, this angle AQB will be half of the angle AOB. So the value of AQB will come to 70 degrees. Since the AOB is 140 degrees, so half of the 140 degrees is AQB, and that will give you value as 70 degrees. Alright. Your second and your next and the last question is, which among the following diagram represent women, mothers, and human beings? Alright. So before doing such kind of Venn diagram, these are called Venn diagram questions. So before solving this Venn diagram question, just determine the relation between these three values. Okay. So what will be the relation? Like relation will be like all mothers can be women, but all mothers will be women, but the reverse is not true. Alright. Similarly, all women will be human being, but the reverse is not true. So if I draw it in the terms of flowchart, it will look like this: that all mothers will be necessarily women, and all women will be necessarily human being, but the reverse is not true. So if you look at this diagrams, if I consider the first diagram as mother, the innermost value, the women, the middlemost value, and the human beings, the outermost value, and this will follow the first Venn diagram. So your correct option is option number 1. Alright. So with this question, this video ends here. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please like this video and share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update about our channel.